On the go but need to clock in? The ADP Mobile app lets you punch in and out right from your smartphone, keeping your time tracking accurate and convenient. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. First, download the ADP Mobile Solutions app and log in with your work credentials. Look for a button called Time and Attendance, Clock In, Out, or similar, depending on how your company has it set up. Simply tap Clock In when you start work. The app will record your location, if enabled, and time. When your shift ends, tap Clock Out. You can usually view your current day's hours and weekly totals right there in the app. My crucial pro tip: enable push notifications. Turn on app alerts to remind you to clock in or out. It's an easy safeguard against forgetting to punch, which saves you and your payroll team from having to make manual corrections later. That's how you take control of your time card from anywhere. Do you clock in on a physical terminal at work, or are you fully mobile? Let me know in the comments. For more tips on using business apps efficiently, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.